Hey everybody, it's Matt, your travel sidekick here. We are starting a series today in my hometown of Richmond, Virginia. So I know I've got a lot of people who follow me from Richmond, Virginia, so go ahead and just hit that subscribe button for me. It helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, and then we'll just take you through today's video, which will be a true gem in Richmond, Virginia. It's Maymont Park. So I just happened to be here on a weekday where it's like 45 degrees. There's nobody here. This is really nice. But just know that when you come on like a warm day, when it's bright and sunny outside in the spring, there's going to be a ton of people here. So first I'm going to take you down to the Rose Garden, and then the Japanese Garden. That's actually my favorite spot. It's so scenic and beautiful. Off of the distance, I don't know if the audio is picking up on the GoPro that I'm using, but you can see the James River through the trees there. You won't be able to see that during the springtime or when the foliage has come back. Maymont Park is a 100-acre estate given to us by James and Sally Dooley, who lived here from 1893 to 1925. Today it's the best park in Richmond, with buildings from the early 1900s still standing, beautiful gardens, and even some animal exhibits.
Sound right, boy.
The tours for the Maymont Mansion start right here at the basement, but due to COVID they've been closed. So hopefully with lower COVID numbers we will be able to resume and go back into the Maymont Mansion.
It sound right, boy.
Alright, so we're currently at the stable here, but I want to take you guys over to the animals. It's on the complete other side of the park. Hi! We've got Fred and Rammer. Hi, how are you? Huh? Oh, you're not happy with me. You want some food? Treats? No, they're mad. Alright, I guess because it's cold, there's not a ton of animals out today. So that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. And then I think the next video I'm going to post is going to be at a very interesting place that you wouldn't think to go anywhere. So I can't wait to show you guys. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss next week's video. Till then, I'm your travel sidekick, Matt. See ya.